Hello guys, this is Sanawali after long time. So here's my first recording after a video after a long time. Just wanted to show you guys one of the hacks I made for something I had been meaning to make, and it's a small thing, and I just really enjoyed making it. So let's see. I will show you how it looked before, and then I will show you I have the made up thing, properly made up thing. It's not 100% perfect, but it's really good for what I really wanted. So here is a box. It's a wooden box I had with me. I don't know how long is it. I guess it's around 10 inches by 8 inches, I'm guessing, or more, not really sure. But this is what I had two pieces of these. It was just lying there, and this is how it looked. What This is how it looked, because like it's a really old one. So what I did was I revamped it, or you could say I redecorated it for the hack I wanted. And I've been looking for it, as you guys know, like most of the time it's really hard for you guys, for a person to find it if you're not going out or something like that. And so I was like, if I have this and I have the material, why not try out the thing I really want to make? So what I did was, as you guys can see, this is the exact size of the thing I made. Okay, so I painted this in white, like white sprayed it, and this is what I made. Okay, I will show you from the back. I colored it from the back. I colored the other one all the way. Sorry, I can't pick it up. Just a second. Okay, this is where, and colored it from the sides all the way. It's still a little bit off, but I will definitely finish it off soon. And this is what I did. This is what my hack was for my jewelry display. And I have used a really light shade of cloth for this, and this is the whole thing I made. And I just didn't know how it would look like, and I was like, okay, let's see. But this is really cool. Like I forgot to take the rings out, so next time when I make a video, I will definitely put in some stuff on it and show you guys how it looks. I will actually take a picture and then upload it over here. uh, so this is how it looks. What happened was, my idea was to make this whole thing till here, like till the end. I wanted to cover this up for the rings, bracelets, and it does hold bracelets, rings, small rings, and your small tops. It can also hold your larger tops if you want to put it properly. So the cloth I had, this cloth I had limited pieces, and I really wanted to finish it off. So what I did was I went with these the cloth, finished this off, and the remaining cloth I stuck it over here. I thought that it would look really good for something larger, which is not suitable for this thing. So I went ahead and made it plain. I have not actually really arranged it yet, but I will definitely be arranging it soon, today or tomorrow. We have some weirdish weather today. It's raining, and which we don't get rain in my city, mostly in Karachi. So yes, we are actually enjoying the weather, and thankfully the light was not that dull, so the video will be really good. I do know that I messed up in over here, and I hadn't realized it, so it looks really off. But I guess for the first time, and I'm serious when I say this was the first time I actually made this, and I had been thinking about making this since ages. Like, I can't even explain how long it has been since I was thinking of making this. So if you guys have a box something like this, you can make lots of crazy things with this. So yes, I did mess it up over here, and for the first time I think it's really good. You can't be for always perfect for the first time. So it was a hack for my jewelry display, and let's see how it will look. I will actually arrange it and upload a picture or something soon, and I hope you guys like it. I will show the close-up. See from here, if you see it, it's really good like this. It's really good if you see it like this. It looks a little bit off, high and low, but it's really good. Even when I'm pressing it, it's really good. Like the what do you call it, the strength of this thing is really good. And I've also painted it from the sides, and I actually painted the insides after I had finished this off, because I had no clue seriously uh, what will be happening. So I guess this was the best thing, and I hope you guys like it. And this is, I guess, this is the first complete project I did after almost 4 to 5 months, I think. And I was like, just wanted to finish this off, and I really enjoyed making it. And hopefully I will be making lots of cool stuff, more stuff. I have something coming up. This is the size. I've painted it. Let's see what happens. What I do with this, I do have something on my mind. You will see when it's finished. Hopefully soon. I've already painted it for the. Let's see what comes up. So I guess you guys liked it. Let me know. Please do let me know. Follow me on YouTube. Follow me on Instagram. My Facebook pages. And that's it. My YouTube channel is Born for Crafting, DIY channel by Sana. So please do follow me on YouTube, and also like my Instagram. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Facebook and Instagram is both Born for Fashion. So take care, guys. Bye bye.